Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to save battery on Sony Xperia device. There are 3 steps. The first step, you can press the settings icon, and then here you can select the battery option. Okay, and then click the battery care here. After that, just activate it like this. Okay, and then here you'll find 2 options. But it is recommended for you to activate the auto option here. Okay, after that for the second step, you can activate adaptive battery here. Okay, and then for the last step, you can activate stamina mode here when your battery is low. Well, that's the tutorial on how to save battery on Sony Xperia device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.